He said he really wanna see me more. I said we should have a date where at the Lamborghini store. I'm kinda scary, hard to beat, I'm like a wizard boy. But I'm a boss bitch, who you gonna leave me for? Don't know, class, bitches is dope.
Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Use program. Here we are today in the car. You know, got my Uber driver right here. The Uber driver right there, you see? Yeah, that's right. Better not crash.
Clean air.
Here we are at Hiccups. Well, we're gonna try to get there, but there's no parking. There's a parking right in there, man. Never mind. I'm seeing things. It's really sunny. I'm getting a ton. Oh, this is the shirt I got from Fashion Nova. And just the pants, you know. My pants got dirty. Okay, so we're at that one Instagram place I always see on my feed, the Hiccups place. Wait, hold on. I'm not recording it. Yeah. And we just ordered our food and I'm really hungry. So we just came out of watching the movie Halloween and like my stomach was crawling the whole time and I didn't eat anything this morning. So yeah, that happened, but now we're sitting at a table. So the tables, they're like wood, and these metal chairs are like really heavy compared to stuff. And then there's they look really dark. I don't know. And then look, they go with spirals off from the Truaholic. Another Instagram stuff I see. So the girl just brought in this. Oh man, I should ask for the whipped cream, but you know that was. Oh no, look at it. Oh wow, I have no idea what this is. Oh, that's bomb. This is the taro something. And then he got the tiny tea. Yeah, just, oh, what are you drinking? You know, some hiccups. Wait, I need a thumbnail. I am about to taste this orange drink.
That's good.
I don't like it. Just nasty. Oh, you see this? Now this is bomb. Recommend. This was $5.75 plus the boba is 50 cents. Yeah, recommend. I have no idea. I think this is a fruit or something like that, but the boba is so soft and warm. I am so happy. Oh my god. Oh, it was so worth me starving.
And then we put that on together. It's soup. What is that? Vegetables? What is that?
This is so bomb. Oh my god, you see this? You want some? Here, eat it. Here. So I didn't finish all my food, so I put in this little plastic bowl. It's so good, I recommend. I like half of it, I think. And it came out to 38 and 40 cents. Yes, I recommend. Totally worth it. Oh, I still have my drink. I forgot. Look at this. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. You know, I gotta go to all these Instagram restaurants and food stuff, you know. Gotta eat myself a heart-shaped churro with some ice cream on it. Yeah, click that bell button to get notified when I upload it. And yeah. Oh. Thanks for watching.